What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, it's 2025, guys, which makes the DJI Mini 3 Pro about 3 years old at the moment. That leads to the great question, guys. Is the DJI Mini 3 Pro worth it in 2025? Like we always do with this time. I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. DJI has smoked it since the release of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. We've got various drones, Avata, the Avata 2, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We also have the DJI Neo. And we're only 1 month into 2025 and they've already released the DJI Flip. Now, they're on the road, but that doesn't mean that this drone can't hold its own weight. Let's look at some footage, guys, and then we'll get back to this video. Chef's kiss. That was nice. That was crystal clear footage. Even this coming down right now. Let me land this bird real quick because I do want to share a little secret with you guys. Let me land this bird real quick. Yeah, buddy. As you guys have probably seen in a bunch of videos, everyone likes to talk about ND filters and checking your exposure, having the camera in manual. Well, guys, all the footage you just saw is on auto. I keep the drone on auto. The software does an amazing, amazing job. I never, listen to me, never use manual mode on this camera. So as far as sensors, yes, the DJI Mini 3 Pro only has the front sensors and the back sensors. Man, it's cold, it's windy. The front sensors and the back sensors. You don't have the side sensors that the Mini 4 Pro or any of the newer drones have. Caveat though, guys, you shouldn't be relying on the sensors. Like, yes, it's a great added sense of security, but always use your eyes. Your eyes see everything. Always use your eyes, guys, because you shouldn't be relying on side sensors. Now, if you guys remember, this was the first drone in the Mini lineup to have the vertical camera mode. With the push of a button, the camera inverts from horizontal to vertical, which is amazing. It's amazing for social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all that good stuff. And these come out amazing. Again, everything's on auto, no filters added. Guys, if you want to check out my drone footage, you can check it out on my Instagram. I'm gonna leave my username right here. You guys can check it out, give a follow, say hello. So one of my favorite times to fly this drone is at night. This little bad boy right here does so well at night in low light situations. Now, a lot of guys are gonna tell you, oh, this camera's not that good, this camera's not that good. Wrong. And always keep in mind, low light does not mean no light. You need some kind of light hitting your sensor. Low light does not mean no light. I'm gonna leave you guys with some footage here that I took flying this drone at night, and we'll get back to that in a little bit. Again, guys, low light does not mean no light. So one of my favorite holidays in the year to fly is 4th of July. Now, I've lost all fear of flying already, guys. I take this thing up and catch the fireworks. Oh my God, it's amazing, guys. Look at this footage right here. Again, guys, cameras all on auto. Let's not forget cameras all on auto. That's how easy this thing is to control. Now, as far as wind resistant, guys, today is a really windy day. And if you see the drone, it's holding steady, it's holding still. The footage getting on it, look, it's getting tossed around, but you're still getting good footage, good stable footage from it. This thing can handle wind. Another impressive thing, this thing can handle wind. All right, so now this thing also has follow mode. All you have to do is, let's see, I'm on the remote right here, screenshot, square over myself, which is what I wanted me to follow. And then I'm gonna choose active track because I want it to come with me. So I'm gonna trace me. And let's go. Let's see if it goes. Come on. Active track, go. And there you go. Is it following me? It is following me. Look at that. Hey. Just like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's go. Again, guys, it's really windy. The drone is like, I don't have the camera with me right now, but the drone is like going like that. But the footage you're seeing is super, super stable. Now, again, you don't have the sideways sensors, so always be careful with the sensors. Make sure you're not, like there's nothing around me like that. There's nothing close that the drone can fly around me, so I'm not too worried about it. But so let's walk this way. Let's walk back. Come on. Vámonos, 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 muchachos. Woo! Come on, come on. Is the DJI Mini 3 worth it in 2025? Hell yeah. Come on, man. Of course. If you have the DJI Mini 3 Pro, trust me, at this point in time, you don't need to dish out any more money for the DJI 4 Pro or the DJI Neo. The Neo's trash, by the way. Or the DJI Flip. Like, you don't need to dish out any more money. If I were to switch drones, I think I would want to get into the FPV field. But for now, listen, my Mini 3 is clutch. That thing is going with me everywhere that I go. And by the way, you could probably find one used at a good price, guys. So hopefully this video helped someone. Now, if you're making the decision of buying a newer drone and just getting rid of the Mini 3, don't. Do yourself a favor and don't. All right, guys, well, it's time for me to sign off. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna drone myself. Peace.